Hello guys, today we are taking a look at Blizzard Network. It is a token under the Avalanche blockchain. It is a relatively new project. It is listed in CoinMarketCap this September. It has current price at $13.42 and the total market cap $7.2 million. It is a staking token. It is a farm to reward in Avalanche and Blizzard tokens. As you can see, Blizzard is an advanced yield aggregator on the Avalanche, fully audited by Hacken, which is another plus. As we can see here, they have this, I would say, minor certification in the space of cryptocurrency, let's say. And they have a really nice yield at 174% per year. As you can see here, I have staked some of my funds, and as soon as I did my deposit, after a while I sold some extra profits, about 1.2 Blizz, which is a very nice plus. And the period is 3, 6, 9 or 12 months. And you are being rewarded with both Avalanche and Blizzard tokens. I have connected my MetaMask from Avalanche network. So the process to buy Blizzard is to get through main centralized exchange like Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, or whichever other is selling Avalanche. And you can use TradeJoy to do the conversion between Avalanche and Blizzard. And as soon as you have done this transaction and you have Blizzard in your wallet, you can put them here for staking. And as I said, it has a nice yield and it is returning both Avax and Blizzard. And taking into account that it is a small project, I think it is promising because it has a very high reward and I really like their interface. It looks pretty solid for yield farming. That is the Blizzard network. Thank you and see you next time.